Toyota owners, they hear one of two extreme opinions about transmission fluid. Some people say it should never be changed, while others insist it should be changed regularly, just like engine oil. The thing is, both pieces of advice, when followed blindly, are responsible for thousands of destroyed Toyota transmissions. Toyota builds some of the most reliable gearboxes in the world, but honestly, the biggest threat to them isn't mileage, it's misinformation. The truth is simple, but, kind of uncomfortable. Changing transmission fluid at the wrong time or in the wrong way can permanently damage a Toyota transmission that would have otherwise lasted hundreds of thousands of miles. The danger zone is high-mileage Toyotas that have never had transmission service. If the car has over 120,000 miles and the fluid has never been changed, a full fluid exchange can actually do more harm than good. That doesn't mean you do nothing though. In these cases, a partial drain and refill is often the safer option. This replaces some fluid without shocking the system and allows gradual adaptation. Another massive mistake Toyota owners make is using the wrong fluid. Toyota transmissions are extremely sensitive to fluid specification. Using a generic compatible fluid can cause harsh shifts, slipping, and valve body wear. Always use the exact Toyota specified fluid for your transmission. Saving money on fluid often costs thousands later. Flush machines are another risk. Many quick lube shops use high-pressure flushing systems that force fluid through the transmission in reverse flow. This can dislodge debris and push it into delicate solenoids and valves. Toyota does not recommend aggressive power flushing. Controlled drain and fill methods are far safer. Temperature also matters. Transmission fluid must be checked and filled at specific temperatures. Overfilling or underfilling due to incorrect temperature readings can cause foaming, pressure loss, and overheating. One of the biggest red flags is changing fluid after symptoms appear. If a Toyota transmission is already slipping, shuddering, or hesitating, fresh fluid will not fix it. In many cases, it accelerates failure. Maintenance prevents problems. It does not cure existing damage. The smartest Toyota owners follow one rule: start early, stay consistent, and never panic service a neglected transmission. If your Toyota shifts smoothly, shows no warning signs, and has been maintained properly, transmission service helps it live longer. If it's high mileage and neglected, proceed carefully and avoid drastic changes. Toyota transmissions don't fail randomly. They fail when well-meaning owners act on bad advice. Knowing when to change transmission fluid is what separates a Toyota that dies early from one that reaches 300,000 miles without drama. If this video saved you from making a costly mistake, subscribe to Gear Specs. We explain what actually keeps cars alive. Not myths, not shortcuts, just real-world knowledge.